Good evening, good evening.
Yeah, man, people, Spice surprise our team members are training after being away for so long as they pray. But I don't really that we forward for talk about. Leave a like and subscribe to the video I got at. Yo, what that a trend? Oh, the trend the dancer. Walk on people to back with another video. Please consider subscribing all new viewers and click the notification bell to not miss out. Up top peeps, I know the must say yo, we don't hear from the trendy dancer. Is it? But the truth is, I almost lose my life, you see me? But we elaborate on that in our next video. So the main topic in today's video gonna be about the DJ, the dancer artist, Rygin King. You see me? So in with meeting a one gun attack where it kinda severe. You see me, and nobody never hear from him from them time. So that was in June, and we in July are going to August, guys. You see it? So the incident claimed the life of a 28-year-old female named Sasha Lee Blackwood, a customer service representative of Irving Meadows in St. James. So basically that was the manager wife, and that was her occupation. You see, guys, and I think this is going to be a day for remember, because I never see a news get so much blog and get so much views. You see me, I never do it for the views nor none of them things. You see me, because this year I start flagging and shit, son. It are going good, I'm just do it willingly. So this is how we really go on. The artist broke silence, guys. So Rygin King break silence, guys. This is exactly what the DJ said. Him just wanted to let you know, as Rygin King is sending a heartfelt thank you to all well-wishers, family, friends for their prayers and thoughts during this difficult time. A statement posted to his official Instagram page, the artist said he was gaining strength and courage to make a full recovery. As he pray, guys, and I'm going to show another picture there too. I'm going to just have it in the video, is it, so you can see which picture and posts with the statement them with it on it. You see, guys, and differently from that, the artist has said, I will live through this ordeal and I can take the next step that comes along with the Most High by my side. My fans show me the support and I am going to make them proud. Just know one king soon step out, he added. Rygin King also thanked the hospital staff for providing him with the best care as possible. He also made special mentions of Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sports, Olivia Grange, Dr. Christopherson, Minister of Health, and Dr. Horace Chang, Minister of National Security, for their immediate response and directions. Yes, guys. Yeah, peeps. So with that said, Rygin King seems to be okay, and I'm kind of great for hear that. Yes, me, cause my day one time I wonder if a wheelchair the dog, you know, if him cripple or something, it did kind of serious still, cause enough of them might not know, but vlogger pre things different, is it? We have to pre things deep and different, is me? So comes we can come to on the same way and is me share good information, is me? Yeah, good source of information, is me? Yeah. Yeah, man, people, so as you can see the song on the screen named Gangster Love by Jahvillani and Moyann. I get to realize that Moyann have a tips of craziness, you know. No, I would have said that. More like she have that thing there for bad man. But they think of money, man. But you know, if you have it look like you can just, you know, protect her, watch her back and say, yeah. No boy to the thing, you see me, I joke me I make, but like she love gangster like our style. Well done, cock up your bumper, hold your head down. If you don't get that, you are gonna get. I mean, put fun and joke aside. She like bad man. I see where she a get to. I see the point of her type of music them. You see me, she kinda influence me because I don't feel irie, you see it? Yeah, man people, so now go check it out. Jahvillani, Moyann. You don't know the style, you see me? Trending already.
Good evening, good evening.
Yeah, man, people. So, as you must say, Spice did show up at the place. Go give our peeps them some love and thing. Bless up her every time. You see me? Bless up on her every time too. You see me? But at the end of the video, this so y'all don't know the style. Like, subscribe, share to a friend, a family, no matter. You see me? Watch the rest of the video them. Bless up on yourself. You see me? The trendy dancehall with the latest.